Hello, welcome to Unwith Jawad 786. Uh, Today I'm going to tell you about digital marketing. As you know, that my point of view of bringing AI speakers to show you that how they are going to present. But meantime, they are not available. So on behalf of AI, I'm speaking and I will give you a lecture today on digital marketing. And expectation are those that we can continue from here and onwards. We will be talking about all related material in this course, and in this topic we are going to discuss about different aspect of digital marketing. And before processing to my lecture, first of all, I will request to you that subscribe my channel Unwith Jawad 786 and click on bell notification so that when video is uploaded, the notification will appear towards you and it will be notifying you about my content related to digital marketing. So here we progress. Today we will be discussing about little briefly in this lecture. First, I'm going to start from that in today's interconnected world, digital marketing has become an essential strategy for business of all sizes. Let's dive into what digital marketing is and why it's crucial for success in the modern marketplace. I have already shown you detail about digital marketing in my previous uploaded video. You can go and watch and start learning from scratch about digital marketing. Gradually we will be moving from beginner to the advanced level, and we'll be discussing about the advertisement, how advertisement is done, how SEO is applied. We will be discussing A to Z about digital marketing. So here I can show you the digital marketing course, how we will be going according to the flow. This is the content. Okay, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and with Jawad 786 and click on bell notification icon. So we will be already discussed about digital marketing in detail. Kindly go and watch my previous video and understand the clear concept and overview of digital marketing. Let me give briefly a short brief about digital marketing and what it is and how it is done. Digital marketing is a very important for everyone to learn and to start providing services. As you can provide services as social media marketer or digital marketer. Now, what things are included in these both? Yeah, we will be going and into detail. We will be starting from SEO, obviously, which is search engine optimization. And after SEO, we will be discussing about paid advertising, that how it is done. It is a most demanded skill. If we see on the nowadays the recruiters are hiring for many paid advertising jobs. You can see it is going to be started from certain number of dollars and moving towards higher paid jobs. So learning about paid advertising is very important nowadays. And after paid advertising, we will be discussing about email marketing. Email marketing, how we can process from zero to hero, like start marketing on of your own product, or digital, whether it is digital product or whether it is related to e-commerce. You can do email marketing in complete business, whether it is a small business or it is a big business. Email marketing plays an important role in your marketing of business. So after completing email marketing, the main and important core topic nowadays is content marketing. Yeah, Many of you doesn't know that how we can do content marketing, or how we can start with content marketing, or how you can be consistent in doing content marketing. Content marketing includes video marketing, images marketing, carousel post, and blog post. And etc. I will be discussing more further in detail about content marketing, because it's a very important topic of the digital marketing. Content marketing makes you from zero to hero and start earning from ease of your home. So these are the main starting topics on which we will be discussing later on and gradually. And after completing content marketing, we will be moving towards affiliate marketing. How affiliate marketing is done. Affiliate marketing also makes you earn a huge amount online. So it's a very important part of digital marketing. And after completing affiliate marketing, we will be moving towards social media marketing. Now, social media marketing is also important part of digital marketing, which includes YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, and so on. It's very vast, and now you are going to be seeing that the Threads app is also appearing soon, and it is also going to include in social media marketing, Twitter marketing, and these are the very important, we can consider a tool for your business marketing. Okay, after completing social media marketing, we will be moving towards Google Ads. Yeah, apart from social media marketing, if you are working with Google Ads, you can take your, or you can shoot your business from zero to higher level, because the more awareness you create on social media platform, the more outcomes, or we can say the return on investment you will get on Google Ads or social media marketing platforms. So Google Ads is very important, and it's a part of digital marketing. We will be learning about YouTube SEO, how YouTube channel optimization can be done, and we will be also later on going through the LinkedIn profile optimization. And I will be going to 0 to 100, means beginner to advanced level, everything related to digital marketing. So you have nowhere to go for paid courses. It's a free course, and you can learn and become a hero in this digital marketing. So after completing these topics, we will be further discussing about many, because digital marketing is enhancing day by day, or we can say every year we are watching many advanced tools, or every month, like if we go back, we heard about ChatGPT. So it's a very important tool which is helping you in many aspects of your life. So likewise, digital marketing is enhancing day by day, and we will be posting content related to digital marketing according to the enhancement timely. So processing ahead. Yeah, I'm going to start from SEO as the flowchart you have observed in last session, that digital marketing recognizes the significance of communication in online marketing. Now, these are the tools which are the recognition, or we can say the significance of the online marketing. SEO is the basic and the important tool of this digital marketing. Without SEO, your channel, or YouTube, or your website, or your content on social media is dead, is not getting response without a proper SEO strategy. So what is SEO? Simply said, SEO, search engine optimization, is meticulously planning and optimizing the pages of your website to get the greatest possible position on search engine result pages. SERPs. SERPs. It's a short form of search engine result pages. When internet users conduct a search on a search engine like Google that's relevant to your business. So like for example, I will be showing you about SEO later on. And if we talk about paid advertising, paid search advertisements are the only ones that show up on SERPs when you type a query, while social media ads are paid social ads. These sponsored advertisements are made by advertisers who compete with one another for placements on the SERP of their preferred search engine or on their preferred social network. So paid advertising, I will be showing example that how it is done or how you can start paid advertising. And email marketing. Email marketing includes anything that is advertised by email. Okay, not only newsletters and deals. Email correspondence pertaining to marketing in general falls under this heading. Okay, email marketing is not limited to the newsletters or weekly newsletters or monthly newsletters, but it also include deals. For example, I give you a scenario. If you are a real estate agent and you are working in real estate agency, then you will create that our property or a bungalow or a villa is available on a etc street, and uh, in market you will find it is cost $200,000, but we are providing you in $180,000. So this is a proper marketing techniques that in which you are going to elaborate about discount offers or the off season on seasons for related pharmacies or etc. So email marketing is a powerful tool and a powerful part of digital marketing. Okay, now let me show you example. Now look at this is SEO. If you any person searches anything like for example drive more traffic to website, you are typing on a Google and see how the results are appearing. We will be discussing about metadata, what is meta title, what is meta description in detail ahead. But meanwhile, I'm showing you just example of how SEO is done, how SEO outcomes you can see here. If you have type a certain or a specific keyword, then it will the result will be appear like this. Okay, for example, drive more traffic to website. Here the main keyword is traffic, or website, and drive more or paid ways to drive more traffic. So these are the main keywords which includes the keyword research. You have to do keyword research too much and select the specific must search or must demanded keywords and include in your content. Okay, now moving ahead, this is an example of paid advertising. If you type on Google any keyword, for example cards, you can see the Christmas cards and 40% off and personalized cards. These are appearing in the search result. If you see before any website AD, this is a paid PPC ads, paid per click advertisement. So the user or the website owner are trying to run ads on these websites. These are the paid advertising websites which are shown in Google Ads search results. So these two important examples of SEO and paid advertising are shown here. And if we talk about, this is a weekly newsletter, email marketing. Okay, that how you can start with email marketing. This is an example that I am showing you a weekly letter newspaper or newsletter which is sent by email marketing to different clients, to specific or certain number of clients by including some off or discounted offers in the end. But if you see in this weekly newsletter, a person is defining the task and the basic concept of Islam related, and which is a religion of Muslim. So in the end, I have not included, but in the end, he's going to tell about the benefit he is providing or the services he is providing online. So it is the part of email marketing. You are going to email to different customer or different clients or different online users. So these are the main examples related to SEO, and the paid advertising and email marketing I have shown you already. So this was a brief lecture related to digital marketing, the important tools I have discussed with you, and so we are ending this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell notification icon. Later on I will be going and diving into deep detailed digital marketing, in which we will be going to cover about Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising in detail. You will be watching and learning from zero to the advanced level advertising related to Facebook, Instagram or social media marketing. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm with Jawad76, and thank you for your precious time. Stay connected for more content. Thank you so much. Until then, take care.